Hello from Slovenia again. Today we will do the fourth acrylic pour painting from my chakra series. It will be dip and lip technique, acrylic technique with paper napkin. I just poured my base already. It's Amsterdam Emerald green with some white because I want to have opaque background. And because of the color of the heart chakra, the fourth chakra is green, we will do all with greens. And I will use Amsterdam Olive green deep and extreme sheen gold, and Pebeo iridescent green yellow, and of course pearl white and naples yellow green light from Amsterdam. Maybe I will switch these two. Okay. While I will pour my puddles for a flower pattern down, I will tell you a little more about this chakra series. So if you want to listen, or you can just skip this part. So today we are working on our fourth chakra. It's a heart chakra, and it's located in the center of the chest, just above the heart, in the middle, not on the left, not on the right, in the middle. And this fourth chakra is really, really important because if it's blocked in a way, no, I should say that like that, it connects the three chakras under and three chakras up to this heart chakra. So if it here is blocked, you can't, let the energy flow, or how can I say, because it's blocked here. And sometimes when your heart is broken, or how can I say, you find yourself in this posture, that you are not straight, and you can't breathe, you can't, because it's blocked, so energy can't flow. And of course it's represented by the color green, not of course, it's represented by the color green, and it represents love, acceptance, peace, joy, and sincerity. So our heart chakra is associated with our ability and capacity to love. And isn't the love the most important thing in the world? If you are open to love, everything around us looks nicer, better, more beautiful, positive. So, and it's love to yourself and love to to another. And again, we are at the word acceptance. So you have to accept yourself, love yourself, and accept other people and love other people. So that I will not be too long. You can probably find, if you are interested in the meanings and what can you do to these are just words, like in all things. You can say that you are working on your chakras, you working on yourself, you meditate, you do I don't know what, but The heart chakra is very, very important because love is important, and to feel and to give love is the most beautiful thing in the world. So all you need is love. So hopefully you will feel some love through this painting today, and hopefully this can help somebody too. I will spray my napkin with water, of course, a little bit, and don't worry about my background if it will not be even after I will lift my napkin, because it will level out while drying. So okay, let me just tap this a little bit, and now we will go to the lifting part, and then lip, up, up, sometimes I have problems with this part still, you know. Okay, lift and down. This one is a little different, but I will just say that I'm happy with it, because it's kind of more like a leaf or than a flower, but as I said, I like it. I will do all those sides and everything after. So here is a close-up. I will say that I really like it. And I like that it looks almost like a feather or something. Not a feather, a leaves, a branch of, I don't know, but the details are just gorgeous. I really like it, and this iridescent yellow-green will add a little something, so it's amazing. So this was the 4th heart chakra, and as I said, don't forget, it's all about love. And see you on the next one. Bye.